Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download images on Pinterest. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android as well. I'm going to open up the Pinterest app and show you two different pins or images that will download. One is an image that I specifically have uploaded into my board, and then another one is just any random photo on Pictures. So I'm going to tap on my profile link at the bottom right here and get out of that and get out of that. So you can see that I have a couple of pins here in a board. If I want to download any of these, I can tap on the image. And once I'm on the image at the very top right, I can tap on those three dots. And it gives me the ability to download imagery here. So I'm going to download this image and it will save to my camera roll gallery. Now, that is an image that I've specifically uploaded onto Pinterest. If we want to get out of here and just go home again, we can download any one of these random videos or photos on here. Let's just choose this one. I'll again tap those three dots at the top right here, and then we can tap Download Image and I'll show you. Let's hop out of here and go to the photo gallery. You can see now it has downloaded those two images to my camera roll gallery, and I can go through here and go to any of these images that I want to save, and I can save them onto my phone itself to use whatever I want. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.